Hi friends, this is Nageshwan. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to format the text entered in the tables created in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. Open Publisher 2007. In my previous tutorial, I have created a table with some text inside. We can easily modify or delete the data from table cells. Double click on the text. Once the text is highlighted, start typing the text. To replace it, or press delete button to remove the text, then start typing. And we can also use backspace from our keyboard to delete the text. Sometimes we need to enter the same text in the cells of a column or row. For this, no need to type the text again and again. Simply select the cell and click and drag into the cells we want to copy the text. After this, come to table and select the option fill down, and automatically we will get the data into the cells. Here background and font are same in color, that's why it is not showing. Just change the color. This can be used in both row wise and column wise. Come to table, select fill right, change the background color, and it will show the text. Notice that when we are entering the text, it will continuously occupy the cell without any limit. Because in table menu, grow to fit text option is selected defaultly, it helps to grow the cell to fit the text. If we disable this option, we can enter the text, but it will not show the text behind this limit. If you want to see that, just increase the height of the cell, then it will show the complete text. After this, I want to insert some graphics into the cells. For that, come to insert and select the option design gallery object. Here we can find various graphic objects categories. Select a graphic shape. Click on insert object. Now we can resize the object to fit in the table cell. Similarly, I want to add one more graphic. Come to accessory bar. I'm selecting this. Click on insert object. Now just resize the object. By inserting the graphics, this will make the table fancy and attractive to the people's eye. Now we can format the text in the table cells using formatting toolbar. Just like text box, select the text. Here we can apply the font, and we can also increase the size and font styles like bold, italic, and underline. And let's add some color to the text. Come to font color, select the default colors or click on more colors to select the colors you want. Click on OK. And we can also apply different background colors to each cell. Click on arrow next to fill color and please select fill effects. Here come to gradient and select a color scheme. And also the shading style. Click on OK. Like this, we can apply nice background colors to the table cells. We can also modify the cell properties like text alignment in the cells, margins, and rotate the text within auto shape by 90 degrees. For this, double click on the table. Come to cell properties. Here we can select the alignment for our text. We can select top, middle, bottom. Here I'm selecting bottom. Let's check. OK. And all the text will be placed to bottom in the cell. Again, double click on the table. Select cell properties. Here we can select the text box margins. Click on OK. Similarly, to rotate the text, come to Format Table and select Cell Properties. Here I'm selecting the option Rotate Text within Auto Shape by 90 degrees. Now let's check the result. Click on OK. And all the text will be placed in 90 degrees. Again, to bring it back, come to Format Table and select Cell Properties. Uncheck the Rotate Text within Auto Shape by 90 degrees. Click on OK. Like this, we can format the text entered in the tables created in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbud143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.